Welcome to Chandan Steel Limited. At Chandan Steel, manufacturing starts with the right purchase of recycled steel. Only high-quality scrap is bought from certified suppliers. It is thoroughly inspected and hazardous elements are carefully removed. Radioactivity test is carried out to confirm the quality. The stainless steel scrap is then transferred to 20-ton induction furnace for melting. Refining is done in 25-ton argon-oxygen decarburization vessel to remove impurities, and carbon is brought down to the desired levels. Environmental protection is given high importance by further processing exhaust gases of furnace and AOD into the bag house, where gas is filtered and all the dust is extracted. Melt samples are collected and analyzed at various stages to achieve the desired chemistry. All heat records are maintained to ensure traceability. The liquid steel is transported to 6x11 double-strand continuous casting machine to produce various sizes of billets and blooms. Ingot casting is also done depending on the end product. The cast billets are then checked for macrostructure and samples are preserved. The billets are transferred to 4 versatile rolling mills capable of producing 100,000 metric tons rolled products per annum. The preheated billets are rolled with the help of cross-country rolling mills, where size reduction is done and various shapes like round, hexagon, square, and sections like angles, flattened channels, and T-sections are made. Hot rolled round bars are sent to bright bar division. Here, bars are straightened, peeled, drawn, ground, polished, and thoroughly cleaned. Hot rolled sections of angles, channels, flats, and other profiles such as T-sections are solution annealed, straightened, and dipped into acid tanks for pickling and passivation. The bright or the finished products are subjected to quality checks for specification compliance. Quality and grades are rechecked using PMI test facility, mechanical and metallography test. This is then followed by visual inspection. The material, once passed through these stages, is packed and dispatched as per international standards. Located just 100 feet away is our forging division that has the highest capacity under one roof. Every order received first goes through quality assurance and is precisely monitored with our newly installed enterprise routing program. Once the raw material, that is ingots and billets, are received from the mother plant, they go through a set of strict quality checks to ensure that the material is suitable for further processing. It is loaded on to the fully automatic shearing machine, controlled with a Siemens PLC system and/or automatic length adjusting bandsaw machines, enabling the right size, weight, and count of the pieces. While cutting is in process, the tool room prepares the dies and rolls required to forge the products according to drawings developed and controlled using the latest CAM softwares. The cut piece is then loaded on to the digitally controlled preheating furnaces or PLC-controlled induction heaters. Temperatures are monitored and recorded. It is then forged using 3 optional routes of closed die forgings, open die forgings, and ring rolling process. A fully automatic heat treatment furnace is used to heat treat the forged material in order to achieve the mechanical properties as per the relevant specifications. The latest technology and NABL-approved calibrated testing machines ensure that the results shown are errorless. Precise machining is done with CNC and VMC machines, ensuring very close standard dimensions. Use of special purpose machines is also done during this process. Final inspections include PMI test, all non-destructive tests, visual and dimensional checks as per applicable standards, and QAP are carried out at this stage. After the tests, it is sent for stamping and then is packed in plywood boxes as per customers' specific packaging requirements. The material is loaded in containers and the boxes are sealed securely to ensure no disruption is caused while in transit. Seamless Tube and Pipe Division. The plant has been engineered for manufacturing high-quality, international standard stainless steel seamless tubes and pipes. It is India's only fully integrated stainless steel seamless tube and pipe plant. The tube plant receives thoroughly inspected and peeled bright bars along with the test certificates. The bars have controlled delta ferrite content to suit the extensive mechanical work performed on the material. They are cut as per plan and then deep hole grilled to achieve better ID finish. Bars then enter calibrated walking beam furnace and the uniformly heated billets are ready for piercing. Use of glass lubrication for outer and inner diameter of bars minimized surface torsional and circumferential stress deformation with use of molybdenum plugs result in improved surface finish of the product during the indigenous hot piercing process adapted by Chandan steel. The pierced hollow bar is cut, straightened, pickled and grounded if necessary for any surface imperfections. Specially designed high-speed auto-feeding cold pilger machines supported by in-house tool room setup and high cross-sectional reduction result in better surface finish, tight dimension control and long lengths in the finished tubes. The tubes are then degreased in the online and offline degreasing setup. Our natural gas-fired solution annealing furnace with auto-set temperature control for uniform heating has a minimum impact on the environment. The tubes are then passed through a 10-roll straightening machine to achieve desired straightness. The tubes are then cut and sent for final pickling in acid bath solution. The lot passes through ultrasonic machine, eddy current testing machine, hydro testing machine, air underwater testing for checking leakages in the tubes. Then it is visually checked for defects and dimensions. The lot passes destructive testing like flaring, flattening, tensile, and intergranular corrosion practice A, C and E. It is also checked for hardness and microstructure. Once approved by the quality team, the lot is then passed to the packing department along with the material test certificate. The material is packed suitably for overseas shipment and also domestic supply based on customer requirements.